Welcome to this yoga session designed to help you relieve stress and find relaxation. Today, we'll guide you through a series of breathing exercises, yoga poses, and meditation. In our busy lives, stress is inevitable, but we can choose how to manage it. This session is crafted for those seeking a sanctuary from daily stressors, offering tools to reconnect with your inner peace. We will begin with gentle breathing exercises, acknowledging the vital role of breath in calming the mind and body. Following this, we'll transition into yoga poses, each selected for its ability to release tension and promote a sense of balance. Finally, we will guide you through a soothing meditation to bring your mind to a tranquil state. Whether you're a seasoned practitioner or new to yoga, this session aims to meet you where you are, providing a space for relaxation and self-care. So, find a quiet spot, prepare your yoga mat, and let's start this journey towards stress relief together. As we begin, focus on your breath and let the practice unfold naturally. Remember, this time is for you to nurture, to heal, and to find peace within. Let's begin. Breathing is a fundamental part of yoga and plays a crucial role in stress relief. As we embark on this journey, let's explore the importance of breath. We'll start with simple yet powerful breathing exercises designed to calm the mind and body. Your breath is a tool for centering yourself, allowing you to find peace amidst the chaos. Remember, each inhale gathers calm, and each exhale releases tension. Embrace this practice and let the energy of your breath guide you. Moving forward, you'll discover the profound impact these exercises can have on your overall well-being. Now that we've introduced the importance of breath, let's dive into our first exercise, deep breathing. Find a comfortable seated position and gently close your eyes. Begin by inhaling deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely with air. Hold this breath for a moment, savoring the fullness of each inhale. Now, exhale slowly through your mouth, letting all the air leave your lungs. Feel the stress and tension melt away with each exhale. Repeat this process, focusing intently on the flow of your breath. Inhale calmness, filling your entire being with tranquility. Then exhale, releasing any residual tension remaining in your body. Continue this rhythm, inhaling deeply through your nose, holding the breath briefly, and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Let your breath become the center of your awareness, the anchor that grounds you in the present moment. As you repeat these deep breaths, allow your mind to find a state of relaxation and peace. The simple act of mindful breathing can transform your stress into serenity. Every breath you take is a step toward balance and inner calm. Let's dive into alternate nostril breathing, a powerful exercise for balancing and calming the mind. Place your right thumb on your right nostril and inhale deeply through your left nostril. Feel the breath filling your lungs and expanding your chest. Now, close your left nostril with your ring finger and exhale gently through your right nostril. Continue this pattern, switching nostrils with each breath. Inhale through the left, exhale through the right. Then inhale through the right and exhale through the left. Focus on your breath, letting it be your anchor in the present moment. Alternate nostril breathing is known to help relieve stress and restore a sense of inner balance. As you breathe, envision your mind calming and your body relaxing. This simple practice can harmonize the left and right hemispheres of your brain, promoting a sense of serenity and clarity. Remember, focus on your breath and let go of any distractions. Allow each inhale and exhale to bring you closer to a state of peacefulness. As we move forward, you'll explore even more techniques to alleviate stress and find relaxation. Stay connected with your breath, and let's journey deeper into our practice together. Now that we've centered our breath, let's move into some yoga poses designed to release tension and promote relaxation. We'll start with poses that gently stretch and ease our muscles, helping us transition smoothly from focused breathing. As we move forward, you'll be guided through child's pose, cat-cow pose, downward-facing dog, and more. Each pose is crafted to help you release any lingering stress and embrace a deeper sense of calm. Remember, the connection between our breath and body is crucial. Take slow, intentional breaths as you ease into each movement. Let's carry the same mindfulness from our breathing exercises into our poses. Let's now transition into child's pose, a deeply relaxing pose that helps release tension and calm the mind. Start by kneeling on the mat. Slowly sit back onto your heels, allowing your body to rest. Extend your arms forward, reaching as far as feels comfortable. Lower your forehead gently to the mat, finding a place of ease. As you settle in, begin to take slow, deep breaths. With each inhale, feel a gentle stretch in your back and shoulders. And with each exhale, release any built-up tension. Notice how this pose allows you to connect with your breath and find a moment of stillness amidst the busyness of life. Stay here for a few breaths, savoring the tranquility it brings. As we move forward, continue to hold on to this sense of relaxation and calmness. Next, we will explore more yoga poses designed to enhance your sense of peace and release tension throughout your body. Now, let's move into the cat-cow pose, a gentle sequence that promotes flexibility and releases tension in your spine. Start by positioning yourself on your hands and knees. Situate your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Remember to synchronize your movements with your breath. On your next inhale, begin to arch your back, drawing your belly towards the floor as your gaze lifts upward. This is cow pose. Pause briefly then. With your exhale, guide your spine to round upward, drawing your chin towards your chest and tucking your tailbone under. This is cat pose. Continue to flow through these movements at your own pace. Inhale into cow pose, lifting and expanding. Exhale into cat pose, rounding and contracting. Let each breath guide your movement and feel the stretch along your entire back. As you continue, visualize the tension leaving your spine with each gentle arch and curve. Feel your vertebrae moving more freely with each breath cycle. Keep this fluid motion up for a few more breaths, fully merging your breath and body in harmony. From your hands and knees, gently lift your hips up and back. Allow your legs to straighten, forming a solid inverted V shape with your body. Feel the stretch along your back and legs as you press your hands firmly into the mat beneath you. Breathe deeply, inhaling calm and exhaling tension. In downward facing dog, each breath helps to release stress and brings a sense of relaxation to your entire body. This pose not only stretches and strengthens, but also provides an opportunity to connect with your breath and find your center. Hold this posture for a few moments, letting go of any stress or tightness. As we continue, you'll find more ways to deepen your practice. Join me in our next movement as we flow together into a state of complete relaxation. Next, let's move into the seated forward bend. Begin by sitting comfortably with your legs extended straight in front of you. As you inhale, feel the lengthening of your spine reaching upwards with the crown of your head. Then, with a gentle exhale, hinge forward at your hips, keeping your spine long as you reach towards your feet. It's perfectly fine if your hands don't touch your toes. Just let them rest wherever they naturally reach. Take this moment to breathe deeply, in and out through your nose, feeling each breath travel through your body, inviting relaxation. With each exhale, see if you can fold a little deeper into the stretch, but always in a way that feels good and safe. This pose not only stretches your hamstrings and back, but also calms the mind. Notice how your breath and body are connected, each movement and each breath bringing a wave of calm and release. Stay here for a few more breaths, relishing the gentle stretch. Next, we'll explore the restorative benefits of the legs up the wall pose to further unwind and relax. Lie comfortably on your back, placing your legs up against the wall, forming a gentle 90-degree angle. Allow your arms to rest naturally by your sides, palms facing up. This pose, known as legs up the wall, is a powerful way to unwind and release stress. As you settle in, close your eyes and start taking slow, deep breaths. Feel the soothing sensation of your breath filling your lungs and gently exhaling, releasing any tension with each breath out. The gentle inversion of this pose helps to promote relaxation, calm the nervous system, and reduce anxiety. Stay here, letting your breath flow effortlessly, enjoying the stillness and quiet. Surrender to gravity and the support of the wall, feeling your body melt into the mat. This moment is yours to simply be, free from the demands of the outside world. As you continue to breathe deeply, sense the subtle changes within you. A softening of your muscles, a calming of your mind, a sense of ease enveloping you. Legs up the wall pose is a perfect way to end a busy day or any time you need a respite. Now that we've moved through our yoga poses, let's transition into a calming meditation to further promote relaxation and stress relief. By focusing our minds, we can enhance the peaceful state achieved through our practice. We'll begin with a brief overview of our meditation process, guiding you gently into a deeper state of relaxation. This phase is designed to calm your mind, release any remaining tension, and bring harmony to your body and spirit. As we move forward, you'll find practices that will ease you into a serene, balanced state. Let's embark on this journey together. Now, let's move into a calming meditation to deepen your relaxation experience. Find a comfortable seated position and gently close your eyes. Begin to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. With each breath, allow your body to settle and your mind to quiet. Breathe in deeply, feeling a sense of calm wash over you, and breathe out, releasing any tension. Let go of the stresses of the day. As you breathe, notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Feel your body becoming lighter and your mind clearer. Focus on the natural rhythm of your breath. Inhale peace, exhale relaxation. Allow yourself to let go completely, sinking deeper into a state of tranquility. As you settle into this moment, envision a place of calm and serenity. Continue breathing deeply, feeling a growing sense of inner peace. Stay with this feeling, knowing that you can return to this state of relaxation whenever you need. Let's begin our body scan meditation. Starting at the top of your head, bring your awareness to your scalp. Notice any tightness or tension, then take a deep breath in. As you exhale, allow that tension to melt away. Move your attention slowly down to your forehead. Observe any sensations. With each exhale, imagine releasing any stress held there. Continue this gentle scanning down to your eyes, cheeks, and jaw. Feel any tightness dissolving as you breathe out. Shift your focus to your neck and shoulders. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, let go of any heaviness or discomfort. Next, sense into your chest and upper back. Breathe into any areas of tension you find, and with each breath out, feel lighter and more relaxed. Slowly move your awareness to your abdomen and lower back. As you breathe, notice how your body softens and releases tension with each exhale. Bring your focus to your hips, thighs, and knees. Imagine sending your breath to any areas of discomfort, letting go of strain with each exhale. Guide your attention down to your calves, ankles, and feet. As you breathe, sense the relaxation spreading through your legs, releasing all remaining tension. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a few deep breaths and gently open your eyes. As you do, carry this sense of calm and relaxation with you, letting it guide you through your day. Remember, the tranquility you've cultivated is always within reach, ready to be called upon whenever you need it. By integrating these moments of peace into your daily life, you can navigate stress with ease and find balance in the midst of chaos. Thank you for joining this yoga session for stress relief and relaxation. Remember, regular practice is key to maintaining your sense of calm and balance. We invite you to subscribe and follow us for more yoga sessions designed to help you unwind and find peace. Namaste.